Today we are going to discuss how to put together your monthly budget using your pay stub. The way I do my monthly budget, and I do this 3 or 4 times a year, I put all of my receipts in a drawer, just throw them in the drawer of my desk for a month. At the end of the month, I grab every receipt up and I add them up. Whatever they are is what I spent for the month. And then I put everything into a spreadsheet. Here is an example spreadsheet for somebody. This is not real, I made these numbers up, but these are pretty close to real numbers where I live. This person spent $95 on electric. Their rent was $800, which is about right for a small one-bedroom apartment. They have a car payment of $150 a month, so they have a very inexpensive car. Their car insurance is $125 a month. Their cable and internet access is $45 a month, which is the current Comcast rate for a new customer for 12 months. Their cell phone is $60 a month. Mine cost me $56 actually. They spent $350 in a month on groceries, $150 on gasoline, and their total is $1,775. So this particular person has spent $1,775 over the course of a month, and that is how much money they have to earn in order to survive and make all of their payments. The next thing is I will look at their real pay stub. I'm using Paystub Depot's online pay stub generator to make a pay stub. So I'm going to pick the state that I live in, single, paid bi-weekly, hourly of $17.50 an hour, and over 2 weeks working 80 hours. There are no local taxes here, and I will just say one exemption. I will fill out the company. I will put in my name. I will put in the last 4 digits of my social security number. And here we will see that the pay stub automatically calculates all of the withholdings for this particular person. Calculates how much they earned, how much their withholdings are, no state tax, no local tax. And this person earned $1,160.85 twice a month. So that would be 1160.65. So I will go to the salary, 1160.65 times 2, because this person is paid twice a month. And this person has a salary of $2,321 a month, which is not bad. If you look then, this person's monthly budget, they have a disposable income of $546 every month. So what that means is they've got $125 a week that they can spend on going out to the movies, going out to eat, going to the beach and paying for parking, and they can also save that money up for things like whenever your car needs new tires, whenever you need an oil change. This is how I do my monthly budget. In my case, because I know this from experience, in the summertime, my electric bill goes up rather dramatically. My electric bill doubles in the summertime because I run the air conditioner more. Not a big deal. So my monthly budget changes based on the time of year. And I plan ahead for that, and that is how I do my monthly budget. The biggest mistake you can make whenever you're doing your monthly budget is say to yourself, well, this month was an exception. Next month I'm going to spend less. Don't lie to yourself. Be honest. Put your monthly budget down. Put down every expense. Add them all up. Put down your salary. Come up with your disposable income. And whatever that number is, it is. If your disposable income, let's just say this person was only earned $1,780 and their total monthly budget was $1,775. Their disposable income is $5 a month. They're in trouble. Be honest. Don't lie to yourself. If this is what your disposable income looks like on your budget, be honest with yourself and figure out what can you cut out of your budget or what can you do to earn more money. Your 2 choices under these circumstances are, 1, get a roommate, cut your rent down to $400, and all of a sudden you're in good shape. Or work a second part-time job on the weekends, and once again, you will be in good shape because you will have an extra more money and you will have more money to spend. So this is how I do my monthly budget, and this is how I use Paystub Depot's Paystub generator to calculate how much money my net pay is, so I know how much money I have to spend. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this is useful to you.